Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Google account. First, let's understand the serious implications of this action. Deleting your account is permanent and affects all associated services like Gmail, YouTube, and Google Photos. We will guide you through preparing for deletion, ensuring you save everything important, and then walk you through the actual steps to remove your account completely. Before you delete your Google account, it's crucial to back up your data. Use Google Takeout to download copies of your emails, photos, and documents. Also, take time to review all the services and apps connected to your Google account. Make sure to update any recovery information for other accounts that might rely on your Google email address. This preparation prevents losing important information or access. To begin the deletion process, open your web browser and go to My Account, Google.com. Once there, navigate to the Data and Privacy section. Scroll down until you find the Data from Apps and Services You Use area, and then select Delete a Google Service or Delete your Google account. You will be prompted to verify your identity, often by re-entering your password. After confirming deletion, your Google account and all associated data, including emails, photos, and documents, will be permanently removed. While there might be a very short grace period for recovery, it's not guaranteed, so ensure you are absolutely certain before proceeding. Remember, this action is irreversible. And speaking of lasting quality, check out the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. We hope this guide was helpful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.